My name is Angeline Merin Anak Benedict. Due to COVID-19 that occurred in Malaysia, university students are still not allowed to return to their respective campus. So today, I will show all of you how to do the application of multimeter using multisim. So today, we want to do the measuring resistance circuit. If we want to take out the component here, we must go to the place here, click place, and then component. And then if we want to take out the resistor, the group must be basic here. Here we must choose basic, and then from here we must choose the resistor. And then click OK. Click like this, and then if we want to take out the two resistor, we click OK again, click here, one more again here, and then we click close to close the resistor component. Okay, next we want to take out the ground. We must also go to place here, component, and then the group must be changed to grounds, to source. Okay, and then here we see the ground. Just click ground and then click OK, and then place it here, and then we close it. Okay, if you want to rotate the component, you just click it on the component like this. So you Control R on your keyboard, so it is rotated just like this. And then if you want to change the resistance, the value of the resistance, you just double click it like this, and we want to change it to 1 kilo ohm, 1 k ohm. Click OK. Here also 1 k ohm. Just type it 1 kilo ohm. Click OK. Here also 1 kilo ohm. Okay. Okay. So if you want to find the meter, the multimeter, you must go to this side. If you don't know which one is the multimeter, you just search it like this. It will appear the name of the meter on the other side like this. This is the multimeter function generator. So in this case, we want to use the multimeter. So we just click on the multimeter on the first icon like this, and then it will appear like this. You place it wherever you want. So I will place it here. Okay. So next, we want to do the connection of the circuit. Okay. If you want to know the reading of your circuit, you must play or run your circuit first. So where do you want to get the play or run button? This is the play or run button. You just click it like this. And if you want to know your circuit is run or not, this thing will appear on your laptop. If this thing is appear, it means your circuit is run and your circuit is fine. So you just double click the multimeter here, just like this, and this is the reading of the ampere. This is for the volt, and this is for the kilo ohm. So this is the reading for your circuit. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Hari. Today I want to show you that how to use multimeter to measure voltage with multisim. Okay, first of all, before you do any measurement, of course you will need a circuit to measure. So I will show you on how to construct a circuit. For your information, I will create two type of circuit. the first circuit I will use alternative current for the power source, and the second circuit I will use direct current for the power source. Okay, let's go. First, click on place and then component, change group to source. After that, click on power source. You will get a list of power source here. So for the first circuit, I will use alternative current power for the power source. Click OK, put it here and change the group to basic. Click on resistor, just click on any value. Here is the list of the value. Don't worry because you can change the value later. And then click on OK. Click anywhere. I will use 2 resistors for this circuit. After that, we need to use ground for this circuit. Otherwise, we cannot simulate this circuit. So, after we have put the component, we need to connect the component to each other. I will rotate this component using a shortcut with Ctrl and R. Connect the component to each other. And connect it as parallel. For your information, if you want to measure voltage, you need to connect your multimeter as parallel. Otherwise, if you want to measure current, you need to connect it as series. I will change the value of the voltage to 100 and the frequency to 50 Hz. I will also change the resistor value to 10 kilo ohm and resistor 2 to 20 kilo ohm. After that, I will run the simulation and then click on multimeter. I will click on here because I'm using alternative current. So here is the value of the output. Okay, after that, I will create a second circuit that we are using a direct current for the power source. First, I will select all and delete all of the component. Click on place component. Click on source and power source. After that, I will click on DC power. Click OK and put it here. After that, I will click on basic. And as I said, I will just click on any value and click OK because I can change it later. Don't forget about the ground, otherwise you cannot run the simulation. We rotate using Ctrl R and I will connect the component to each other. Just click the component and then connect it to each other. You need to click the edge of the component so that you can connect it to another component. Don't forget about the multimeter. You need to connect it as parallel. Otherwise, you cannot get the real value. I will change the resistor 1 to 20 kilo ohm and the resistor 2 to 10 kilo ohm. After that, I will change the value of the voltage to 24 volt and I will run the circuit. Here is the value, and I don't need to change this because I'm using direct current. Thank you for watching.
Hi and Assalamualaikum to all my fellow friends and Dr. Suraya. So today, me Alina bin Rizal will show you guys about application of multimeter for AC and DC current measurement. So let's get started. Firstly, you need to construct this circuit. So go to File and then click New Schematic Capture. And then go to Place, select Component, and then change to Basic. Change group to Basic. And click Resistor and click OK. So based of the circuit given, we need to place a 4 resistor. And then for AC voltage source, click Place, Component, and then change group from Basic to Sources, and then click AC Power, click OK. So not to be forgotten, so ground must need in this circuit. So now arrange and connect all these components. So based on the circuit given, the voltage source is 100 volt and frequency is 50 Hz. R1 is 12 kilo ohm, R3 is 1 kilo ohm, R2 is 10 kilo ohm, and R4 is 15 kilo ohm. And we will finish construct the circuit. Okay, to measure current for the circuit, the multimeter must be connected in series. So first of all, click the multimeter icon and place it, and then connect multimeter to the circuit in series. And then click the run button. Double click the multimeter. So to get the value of the current for the circuit, click sound wave symbol and then click A for ampere, and then click stop for easy to reading the current value. So basically the current value for the circuit is 10.8 milliampere. So for additional information, what if multimeter is connected in parallel method to the circuit? when measure the current. So now I will show you the result. First of all, make sure we stop the simulation, and then delete the connected wire. And connect the multimeter in parallel. So as usual, click play button, double click the multimeter, click the sign with symbol and ampere. So basically the reading shown 0 ampere. This means that multimeter can't operate or take a reading in parallel method when measure a current in the circuit.